Have you ever wondered why some guys seem to easily grab a girl's attention, as if they hold the secret key to unlocking her heart? Many studies show that winning a girl's heart is much deeper than just sweet words or romantic gestures. It's about how you can effectively stimulate the most sensitive and subconscious parts of a girl's brain. In this video, we'll break down advanced psychological tricks used by experts to make girls attracted to you. You'll learn how to tap into the most vulnerable areas of her subconscious, creating a connection that's not only strong but also lasting. Imagine being able to use these techniques in your life and see girls respond in ways you never thought possible. Imagine also understanding the secrets behind a lingering gaze, a soft smile, and a natural flowing conversation. What's even cooler is that you don't need years of practice to master these techniques. You'll get 8 surprising tricks right now. But there's one ultimate secret that I'll reveal at the end of this video. This trick is so powerful that it can change the way a girl reacts to you, as if you have direct access to her mind and deepest desires. This secret is rarely known, but if you master it, the girl you want will keep thinking about you non-stop. So, don't miss a second of this video, because from start to finish, you'll learn how to access a girl's mind and make her unable to stop thinking about you. Alright, let's get started. 1. Use her name. When talking to someone, mentioning and remembering their name can have a huge impact, because our name is one of the sweetest and most important words we can hear. It's closely tied to our identity and how we see ourselves. By saying her name, you're not only making the interaction more personal, but also showing her that she's important. This technique might seem simple, but its psychological effect is profound and often overlooked by many guys. By saying her name naturally 3 times during the conversation, you'll make her feel closer to you and see you as someone who truly cares. 2. Use the Benjamin Franklin effect. This psychology concept explains how small acts of help can change a person's perception of someone else. It might sound strange that asking for small favors could make a girl more attracted to you, but this psychological phenomenon shows that when you ask for help, her brain will subconsciously look for reasons why she's doing it. She'll start thinking, if I'm doing this, it must mean I'm interested in him. Her subconscious mind will rationalize this, connecting her small actions with positive feelings for you. To maximize this trick, start by asking for small, non-burdensome favors, like asking her to grab a drink or borrow a pen. These small, subtle actions, if repeated naturally, will build a subconscious connection and slowly strengthen the attraction and bond between you. 3. Eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful tool in the art of attracting attention. Many studies show that prolonged eye contact not only strengthens the connection between two people, but can also change the way others perceive us. When you use this technique with a girl you like, your eyes will act like a magnet, radiating confidence and attraction. To master this technique, ensure that your eye contact is natural yet intense while talking. Hold it for about 3 seconds. This is the perfect amount of time to create a deep connection without making her feel uncomfortable. After that, casually shift your gaze, like you're just changing the focus of your attention. This will make her feel like you're seeing her in a special way, as if you truly understand who she is. This approach creates emotional closeness and makes her want to experience those moments of eye contact again. 4. A genuine smile. A smile is simple, but it carries great weight. You've probably noticed that a sincere smile can make the atmosphere much more comfortable and relaxed. Women like guys who can make them feel at ease, and one of the easiest ways to do this is by smiling. When you smile, you not only present yourself as friendly, but also make her feel more relaxed around you. For example, when you first meet her, give a wide smile and greet her with, "Hey, how's it going?" It may seem simple, but a smile can change the mood and lead to a more relaxed and enjoyable conversation. 5. The camouflage effect. This interesting psychological trick shows that we're more likely to be attracted to someone who subconsciously mimics our behavior and attitudes. When you subtly mirror her movements or way of speaking, she'll feel a sense of connection between you both, which can increase her attraction to you. For example, if she often uses hand gestures when talking, you can subtly mimic her hand movements. The key is to mirror her actions without making it obvious or forced. Doing this subtly enhances the sense of similarity, which subconsciously increases her interest in you. By using these psychological tricks, you'll not only capture her attention, but also create a deeper, lasting connection. These simple, yet powerful techniques can change the way she reacts to you, making her think about you in ways you never imagined. 6. Confident body language. Your body language says a lot about who you are. If you have a posture that shows confidence, women will be more naturally drawn to you. Stand tall, keep your shoulders open, and avoid hiding your hands in your pockets. Women are attracted to men who appear confident because it gives the impression that you know what you want and can handle any situation. For example, when you sit, try to sit with a straight back and your hands open on the table. This may seem trivial, but your posture sends a signal that you're confident and bold, which is very attractive to women. 7. Gentle physical touch. A light, gentle touch can have a significant impact on strengthening the emotional bond between two people. Research shows that physical touch in safe areas like the shoulder or arm can increase intimacy and connection. But remember, the touch should be gentle and not too frequent to avoid seeming intrusive. 8. Make her laugh. Women like men who can make them laugh, because humor is one of the most effective ways to create a relaxed and close relationship. When you can make a girl laugh, you indirectly make her feel comfortable around you. Her brain will associate those feelings of happiness and relaxation with you. So try to make light jokes relevant to your conversation. For example, if she's telling a funny story, you can follow up with a joke that's not over the top but still makes her smile or chuckle. These are the tricks you can use to make a girl like you. Don't forget the final key I promised earlier. Be yourself. No matter how good you are at using these tricks, if you're not authentic, she'll sense that something is off. So use these tricks in a way that matches your personality and you'll get the best results. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful.